Hey guys, welcome to my new channel, Piranha 10's Auto Show. In this episode we're going to be cleaning the exterior of an 08 Cadillac STS, and throughout the season we're going to be doing little things here and there and trying to get it back to its former glory. So if you want to follow along, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions or concerns, leave me comments in below, and don't forget to leave me a like. And let's get back to the show. Alright, check out this 08 Cadillac STS I found. BAARN find. It's been sitting in there over 5 years. Let's see if we can get it running. We already got no brakes. Broken mirror, good sized dent in the door here. Looking like that rocker is kind of fucked too. The rocker is a little bent, it looks like plastic. I think the rocker will be alright. Door is it? Yeah, quarters a little dinged here. Bumpers are fucked. Well, let's do step one. Let's get it cleaned up here. So I'll make sure I'll time lapse this all for you. So round one. There she goes. She's getting here. Got some nice key marks here. Oh yeah. Nice clean broken mirror though. Future projects. All in all, I think she came out pretty good. So let's take a look at the inside for part two. Oh, that's gonna take some cleaning there, boy. Oh yeah. We'll take the inside as part two. I mean, the headline is pretty good. Looks like just a leather and a vinyl in the wood. Let's take a look at the trunk. Oh, pretty neat back here. Not too bad. A little vacuuming. I think that'll be alright. Stay tuned for part two.